In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get pet egg shop in Grow a Garden Roblox. In Grow a Garden, pet eggs are the only way to unlock helpful animal companions that grant useful passive buffs in your garden. These eggs can only be purchased from Raphael's Pet Egg Shop, located next to the gear shop and opposite the seed shop on the opposite end of the map. At any given time, the shop displays 3 egg options and automatically refreshes every 30 minutes, allowing you to keep checking for rare or desirable egg types. Purchasing egg types depends on your in-game currency shekels or sometimes Robux for premium eggs. Common eggs cost around 50,000 shekels and hatch in 10 minutes, while higher tier eggs such as rare, 600K, and bug eggs, 50M, have much longer hatch times and rarer pet drops. Exotic event-specific eggs, like the night egg or summer-exclusive variants, may only appear during limited time events or use event. To increase your chances of finding higher tier eggs, consistently revisit the shop after each restock. You can buy up to 3 eggs per restock session, but can also pay Robux to immediately refresh the stock if you don't see what you want. Once an egg appears in the shop, tapping on it will reveal the list of possible pets and their drop probabilities before you purchase. After buying your pet egg, place it in your garden plot. The egg's hatch timer starts immediately. Once it's ready, you can hatch it by interacting with it in the garden. Some pets like chickens or KiwiScan accelerate the hatch time of other eggs when present in your garden. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.